Hello guys, welcome back to another video about learning HTML language. I will try to make it as much easy for you so that you can learn in very much less time. So my video is for those who are going to start programming languages as a beginner. So if you have no backend or you have no any previous history about coding, then no need to worry. It's the best thing to start with programming languages or coding, or you can proceed with your career as a web developer, front end, and also the back end, both. So let's resume from the section where we stopped in my last video. So, in my last video, we were going through the topic that which text editors or which editors we can use to create or save our HTML program. So we were talking about that in Windows. We can use Notepad. You can open the Notepad through Start Programs, then the section of Accessories, then click on the Notepad. So here you can write down the code and then save as .html with .html extension. So if you are working on the Mac, so simply open the Finder, then Applications, then Text Edit. So also change some preferences to get the application to save file correctly. Preferences format, choose plain text. Okay. Then under open and save, check the box that says display HTML files as HTML code instead of formatted text. Then open a new document to place the code. Okay. So here is a step two. You have to write some HTML code inside the document. So simply copy paste the same code which we learned in my last video. You can also simply copy and paste from here and then save it. So it is the notepad from the Windows. It will look like this. Then save the HTML page. Choose any section or any directory where you want to save your first HTML document. Simply write down any name. By default, it will show you the index.html. Simply you can change the name, but you have to keep in mind that you have to mention .htm or html. Then simply click on save. So if you want to view your HTML page, simply double click on that and it will show your results in the browser. So here is the result that you will see. So these are just for your understanding. We are going to cover all the topics on the same website rather than doing our on our computer. So here you can see that W3 School Online Editor, try it yourself. It's the same. With our free online editor, you can edit the HTML code and view the result in the same browser. So it is the perfect tool when you want to test code fast. It also has color coding and the ability to save and share code with others. So that's great. So here you can see that it is a try it yourself. So let's go with it. Let it open. Don't worry. So here is the page title. Let's try to change it. First page. Okay, here is the H1. Let me mention here one H12 also. As I already told you that there are 6 heading tags. So I am going to add heading 2. This is heading 2. This is a paragraph. Let me add some more text inside it. Okay. So let me run it. So that's it. This is the heading 1, which is the larger in size than heading 2. So this is a paragraph. Simply make changes and click on run. It will show the result on the same page. Got it? So practice on your own and go to the w3schools.com and practice it. So let's meet in the next video.